Today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting polynomials. First, when we're adding, we're going to combine like terms. We have 2x cubed here and a 4x cubed there for a total of 6x cubed. The only x squared we have is right here, so we have a positive 5x squared. A negative 7x plus 10x leaves us a positive 3x, and then we simply have our 9. So our answer for this is 6x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3x plus 9. The second example is a negative 3y to the fourth, and we don't have any other y to the fourth, so that's what we have, a negative 3y to the fourth. We have plus y squared, and down here is plus y squared plus 1. So we're going to combine these two terms. They're both y squared, and we get plus 19y squared. Then we have 14 and 1, and when we add those, we end up with plus 15. So our answer is a negative 3y to the fourth plus 19y squared plus 15. Combining like terms and subtracting, we think of this as a negative 1, so we'll want to distribute that to each of those terms in the parentheses, and when we do that, we get a negative 12y squared minus 13. Combining like terms, we have just a negative 9y to the fourth, then we have plus 3y squared minus 12y squared for a total of negative 9y squared. The only y we have is a negative 8y. Plus 11 minus 13 leaves us a negative 2. So when we distribute and we combine like terms, we found that the answer is a negative 9y to the fourth minus 9y squared minus 8y minus 2. On our second example of subtracting, we're going to do the same thing, thinking of that as a negative 1. And we distribute that to that, we end up with a negative x squared, and a negative distributed to that positive 19 is a negative 19. We see that positive 19 minus 19, that goes away, and we have 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus an x squared is simply x squared. So our answer for this one is 5x cubed plus x squared.